Siguro yung biggest takeaway namin, talagang gigil talaga kami na makabawi from that dalawang sunod na pagkatalo. Yung isa heartbreaking pa, pero ayun, na-execute naman namin yung pinag-aralan namin, yung mga baon namin, na pakita namin yung baon namin. Kaya ayun, naging maganda yung result.
Thank you. To Paida, you had 14 points on 13 on 23 attacks and 1 block, and you collected 8 digs. So this is probably your best performance this season. What can you say?
But first I say thank you for the coaches, and also for the system coaches give to us. We lost 2 games, and this game we said, like, because we have union, like we have also determination. We say we come back for this game, and also we do it.
Thank you. To Chen, you had 12 points on 12 attacks. So what can you say na nakabalik kayo sa win column again this match? What can you say?
Gaya ng sinabi ni Coach na sobrang masakit nung UST and then nasundan nung NU. Yung mindset lang namin na babawi talaga kami this game, and kasi nakalaban namin sila nung pre-season sa Shaky, so inisip namin na parang hindi namin sila pababawian this UAP. So ayun, pinagtrabuhan namin, inaral namin yung galaw nila, and then in-ensayo namin, in-execute namin. Ayun, maganda yung kalabasan ngayon.
Okay.
No-split daw siya.
Hindi siya masyadong
Are you happy with your performance here in the UAP?
Yes, sure. I'm very happy, and also my performance now before and now be better because coaches adjust for me, tell me the system.